Hello everyone, welcome to today's Power BI tutorial. In this session, I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage of total and percentage of parent total using DAX. These are very common requirements when you are building finance, sales, and performance dashboards. Knowing how to implement these percentages will definitely make your reports more meaningful. So for this demo, let's think we have a toy shop, and what we have here is this matrix, and we have total sales over 377.99 cents for the total sales, and we have three different toy category, which is toy group 1, toy group 2, and toy group 3. If we expand, we can see the sale amount for each product under each category. And the goal is to calculate the percentage of total, meaning how much each row contributes the total sales overall. For example, the toy car has a sale amount of $7.96, and the percentage of total is this amount over the total sale amount of $377.99. And the next goal is to calculate the percentage of parent total. For example, toy group 1. The sale amount is $71.96. We want to calculate the product under this group. What is the percentage of each element in respect of the parent total amount? So now let's do it, right? So I'm going to remove everything for now. So now we have the sum of total amount. The first step is to create a measure table. This is my preference. I always store all my created measures in a centralized measure table. Let's do it now. We go to model, we click new table, we call it measure table, make it blank. Then we create a total sale amount measure. Total sale amount measure. That will be sum of sales amount. And let's have a look. And we can see it is the same with, and one easy way to do percentage of total is now you drag drop the same measure, and this time you show value as percentage of grand total, and you can see the percentage total is reflected in the table. And we can also do it in DAX. So let's create a measure. Let's call it percentage of total. We use divide, and we use the measure we just created for total sale amount. Then we use the calculate. So the part here, the filter we are going to use is using all selected, and we all select the factor sale table. So once we do that, right, if we slide, let's change the data format for this measure. We make it percentage, and you can see it is exactly the same, right? So now we did it in DAX. So now let's do the percentage of parent total, which sometimes it is very tricky among Power BI users. Some users didn't even know how to do it in DAX. So let's do it now. So we create a measure, we call it percentage of parent total. And again, it will be divide the sale amount, total sale amount. Then we calculate against total sale amount. So now we needed to use a syntax called remove filters. So in the bracket, we want to remove all the filters under the category. For example, if we want to calculate the percentage of parent total for toy group 1, right, then we have to ignore the lower level field. In this case, the lower level field is product name. So we ignore the product name. Product name is from the dimension product table. So let's do like this. And once we remove, we have this measure. Okay, let's change this a little bit. And you can see we have successfully calculated the percentage of parent total for the category for toy group 1, 2, 3. So now let's imagine instead of using category, you want to use account name, and you want to calculate the percentage of total for account name, right? All you have to do is to change the reference field in the remove filter function. So we can copy this measure, we create a new measure, we call it percentage of parent total 2. In this remove filters, instead of using dim product name, we use account name, because this is something we want to calculate our percentage of parent total. Now let's do it. And we remove this, we add the new one. And let's change this to percentage. And you can see it is now working. Okay, I hope this video can help you to understand how to calculate percentage of total and the percentage of parent total. And thanks everyone.